If you're looking for local, professional house painters in Charlotte, Trusted House Painter makes it easy for you to get quotes fast.
In a few clicks, you can find local professional house painters ready to paint your home. And in less than 30 seconds, you can create and organize your painting project while communicating your needs and getting multiple quotes from one simple post. This saves you time and makes it easy to start the transformation of painting your home. And if you've never hired a professional painter before, Trusted House Painter's free homeowner toolkit is a guiding resource to help you avoid common mistakes made when hiring a painting contractor. You get valuable resources like the house painting planner, the painting contractor questionnaire, the painting service agreement, and other helpful color design documents like choosing the perfect paint colors for your home. Now that you've checked off Call the Painters from your to-do list, Trusted House Painter will notify you when painting companies view your post. It's easy, it's quick, and it saves you time.